Hello. Now I'm going to show you how you could reuse some old lids from the drinks bottles. So for this you need a good marker pen, you need some glue, some paper, scissors and whatever else you want to add to make your creatures. So I'll show you the first two. So if you want to make, for example, a ladybird, how about just color it in black here to the middle part, add some spots and some eyes, and there is your ladybird, like so. If I wanted to make, for example, a bee, I do the similar way. I use the yellow lid and I just do black stripes like so, and then you add some eyes and wings and it would look like this. Okay, let's see if you can recognize any other creatures I made earlier. One is there, one is here. I just put some glue at the bottom of the lid. And what about this one? There you are. So have fun with your creations.